Dr. Ray, what are you doing here?
Oh, hey, Dr. Andrew, what's going on? Hey, come on in, let's check this out. People always ask me all the time, what do I do in my spare time? Well, this is what I do. This is the top of your vibration plate right here. There's your cover. And what happened is the plate cracked. So I fixed that. Now, after I'm done working on that, I'll be working on this because we have some head connection wiring problems. So people always say, Doctor, what do you do in your spare time? This is what I do in my spare time. Why? Because I care about you guys. We got to make sure we got the equipment top notch. So not only am I a great chiropractor, I'm also the maintenance guy. So ask me what I do. This is my idea of a party, I guess. Anyway, thanks for listening. Take care. Watch this video. Share it with friends. And make sure you come into your office, get your adjustments. I'm working this hard away from the practice, so I can be doing it at home with you as well.
But Dr. Ray, though, when are you going to fix the tires on this thing so we can take this?
Oh my Lord, yeah, that's a problem too. Yeah, again, it's all time, isn't it? So finding time, and time is a critical element. So enough of that. Get me out of this camera.